The Quntis Monitor Lamp Pro is a device that helps your eyes be better. Let's go unbox and see what comes in the packaging. To unbox, you simply peel out the box, but first you see basic information about the light and how you can set it up on your computer. Now let's go open up the box right now and see what we're greeted with. The box is simple to open. You just flap it up open from the top or side depending on how it faces you. We open that up, slide the carriage bag open, and we see the user manual that contains instruction in different languages on how to set it up on your laptop. When we open up the carriage bag, we see more, which actually contains the light itself, the USB cable attached to it, which is wrapped inside another plastic bag, which is really nice and straightforward packaging. I really like that kind of packaging. No fuzzy. We peel that open and we see the USB cable, which attaches to our computer either through USB-A or USB-C, depending on what kind of laptop we are using. I prefer to use this on a power adapter on my desk whenever I'm using it. When I'm mobile, I attach it directly to the USB port on my computer. Let's go set this up now on my MacBook Pro and actually see what it looks like setting this up on a real computer and not on the unboxing table. Setting this up on my MacBook is as easy as just peeling up the plastic wrap around it, which is really nice and it just gives that brand new look. And then I clamp it up on my screen. Voila, ready to go. The next thing I need to do is plug it up to power, which I will do from my MacBook. I get a USB-C bit out, and then I attach that to the left hand side of my MacBook. Of course, you can use the right hand side if you want to. And then you see the lights actually just brighten up and glow. And then that's pretty much it. You're ready to start using it. You can adjust the angles on the light to fit however you want to look at it. And then you can adjust the brightness. You can adjust the dimming features, the color temperature. You can set it to auto dim based on lighting conditions where you're working. Here are the features of the Quntis Laptop Monitor Lamp Pro. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. I will drop the link to purchase the Quntis Laptop Monitor Lamp Pro in case you like it in the video description and also as a pinned comment. Till I come your way again with another nice gadget video, I say stay safe and goodbye.